Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're going to check out Erico's rod lock beam clamp. This is supposedly a beam clamp that saves a lot of time when you're doing installations of threaded rod. So we're going to crack this box open. We also have a piece of threaded rod here that we're going to go ahead and pop in there. Let me just verify that, it is what the manufacturer says it is, and then we're also going to go ahead and view the manufacturer video. So let's get to it. Now the Caddy rod lock, Erico states that this provides a quick and economical solution for installing electrical and mechanical systems supported by threaded rod. Works with slightly damaged threads and minor burrs on the threaded rod. Reduces install time up to 60%. Load capacity is 500 pounds on 3/8 rod. And you also have an electro galvanized finish. Now let's go ahead and get a piece of threaded rod and let's see how smoothly it goes through there. Okay, so you'll notice on the back of these there's an arrow pointing up. That's the direction you're always going to want to have these installed at the job site. So that arrow always needs to be pointed up. Reason being is the threaded rod only goes through it one direction. It'll go towards the direction the arrow is pointing in. It's interesting too because it's hard to tell, but inside of there it grabs it to where it only allows it to continue to go in that direction. So we'll play with that. We'll try to pull it out the other way, and even though the lock nut is loose, it won't go the other way. Okay. There's also a set screw here. You can go ahead and remove that and attach it to the other side if you want. Now let's see, grab a piece of that threaded rod and let's see how smoothly this goes through there. Okay. Okay, so that is pretty fast. I could see if you have a ton of these to do, that would save you a ton of time. And like I mentioned, the arrow's pointing that way, the rod goes that way. Try to give it a tug the other way. It ain't moving. So once you tighten your lock nut there, the rod you won't be able to push it through anymore, but you can still make minor adjustments by turning the rod. Now let's check out the manufacturer's video. Caddy rod lock. An innovative solution from Erico for installing electrical and mechanical systems supported by threaded rod. Other associated parts. For use on the threaded rod, simple push install design. Simply push and lock. Use even on rods with slightly damaged threads or minor burrs. Compared to traditional. Install is a breeze. As you can tell in this demonstration, it saves time. Overall on each piece, saving time per piece will add up tremendously. It's easy to install and cuts down on time. Support tray. Support ductwork. The beam clamp reduces installation time up to 60%. Load capacity up to 500 pounds. UL approved. FM approved. The channel nut reduces install time up to 34%. Load capacity 750 pounds. Anchor screw reduces install time up to 35%. Load capacity up to 660 pounds. FM approved. The series nut reduces install time up to 50%. Load capacity 2250 pounds. So there it is. I guess Caddy was right. These things are as cool as they said they were. You can go ahead and order this online at discountlowvoltage.com. Thanks.